good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how to cook beef strip Mexican style. So, I have 5 pounds of cow feet, and I have also 6 pounds of scalded beef strip. So step 1, let's boil the cow feet and the scalded beef strip for about 3 to 4 hours. So now let's get started. And then now, so this is already clean. So let's boil this for 4 hours. So see you in 4 hours. Thank you. Okay guys, for the sauce, so I am going to soak the dried peppers with water. So here is the Mexican dried pepper. So this is the chili guajillo and this is the chili costeño. So this is the Mexican dried pepper. So for this sauce, I am going to soak this one for about 4 hours or until the meat is cooked. So I'm going to blend this pepper. So now let's add some water. So now we add some water, the warm water. So look, if you can see this, look at this dried pepper. So I put water in it. So let's soak for about 4 hours or until the meat is fully cooked, and then we're going to blend this later on. Okay? So see you soon. Thank you. Okay guys, so next step, let's make the sauce. Okay? So let's get started. So now let's blend the dried pepper. So if you can see this is the dried pepper. So now it's time to blend all the ingredients. So now let's get started. Now let's add water. And then blend it. Okay, now let's blend the tomato. So let's blend the tomato. And then let's add the cumin powder, and then add the bay leaf, and then let's add the cloves, and then thyme, oregano powder, and the black peppercorn, and then let's blend them all together. Then add also the garlic and then the onion. so let's see 4 hours later. Let's check the beef tripe if already cooked. So let me check first. So look at this. You can see now it's already cooked. You see. So now let's proceed to cut the beef tripe in small pieces. Now let's cut in small pieces, okay? So see you soon. Okay guys, so now let's start to cut this beef tripe in a small. Guys, so next step, let's fry the sauce. So first, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. So and then let's fry the beef tripe. So here you go guys, this is the beef tripe. So let's fry it. It is super hot. And then now let's add the cow feet. So I have right here also. I have the cow feet. So now let's add the sauce, okay? Here you go, this is the sauce. This is the tomato with a dried pepper sauce. So here you go guys, so let's add over the beef tripe. So now let's add the 1 tablespoon of nor beef. And then now, let's add the sea salt, 2 tablespoons. And then now, let's add 1 pack of sazon goya, culantro with achote. This is the red color. Let's mix them well together. And then let's add the consomme of the beef tripe. So let's add. And then cover with lid. Cover with lid and then let them cook for another 15 minutes. So see you soon. Okay guys, so look at this. Here you go, this is a mole. Look guys, so here you go, it should look like this. So here it is. Here's the mole de panza. So now looks very delicious. So see you soon in the next video. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.